This is the course home page. The course is organized into units. To get the most from the course, we suggest that you take your time with the material. To really benefit from the course, you're going to need time and space to reflect on what you've seen and heard. We suggest you complete 2 to 3 units per week. Along the left, at the top, is your progress bar. This indicates how far along you are in the course. Next is a link to the discussion group. We encourage you to participate in the discussion group to get to know your fellow students and exchange experiences. Next, we have all the units that make up the course. And finally, at the bottom, you can see any pages you have bookmarked. Each unit starts with a video lecture. Note that in order to make sure you get a good quality video, that you have it set to one of the 2 HD options. Under the video is the text transcript. You can use this to follow along with the video if needed. You also have the option to download the video text. Keep in mind, you need to watch each lecture at least once to complete the course. Each unit then contains elements that will appear beneath the video once it's played through. Click on the first element. Most of the time, this will be your assignment. Then, click on the link that takes you to the assignment. You will need to log into each assignment with the same email address you used to register for the course. This is so that we can track your completion and store your information between assignments. Questions marked with an asterisk are required, but other questions are optional. When you reach the end of the assignment, click Return to MOOC. Once there, click Next. This will bring you to the next element, the success story. Like the lectures, these are required, so you need to watch them at least once. Not all success stories will include text transcripts. Once you've watched the video, click Next. This brings you to the resources element. This includes links to other useful videos, downloadable tools, and templates. We also provide some suggested reading materials under this element. Although not required, we urge you to click on, view, and read whatever looks interesting and useful to you and your business idea. When you're done, click Next. This will take you back to the main unit page. As you can see, all the elements are now marked with a green dot. You have completed the unit. You can share parts of the course on social media by using the social media buttons. And you can also leave comments at the bottom of any page in the course. At the end of the MOOC, you will receive a personalized certificate of completion. Keep in mind that to earn the certificate, you need to view all the required course materials and complete all the assignments. Taking a MOOC requires a great deal of self-motivation. The more fully you engage with the MOOC and the material, the more you will gain. We hope you enjoy the journey.